Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Hyundai Veloster. First, ensure your Veloster is on a flat, stable surface like concrete and firmly engage the parking brake. This prevents any unwanted movement. Next, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will stay on the ground, typically the rear wheels if you're lifting the front. Finally, gather your essential tools: a sturdy hydraulic jack, 2 reliable jack stands, and your Veloster's owner's manual for specific details. Locating the correct jack points is crucial for safety and to prevent vehicle damage. Always refer to your Veloster's owner's manual for the exact locations. Generally, the front jack point is a reinforced area behind the engine, often a subframe crossmember. For the rear, look for a sturdy crossmember or frame rail. Never place the jack on the oil pan, exhaust, or suspension parts, as these are not designed to support the vehicle's weight. With the jack points identified, position your hydraulic jack directly and squarely underneath the chosen point. Begin to slowly pump the jack handle, raising the Veloster steadily. Lift the vehicle just enough so the tire clears the ground by a few inches, allowing for easy wheel removal. Once at the desired height, carefully slide your jack stands under the vehicle's designated support points, which are usually near the pinch welds or frame rails. Gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stands, ensuring it is stable and secure. Before working under your Veloster, give it a gentle shake to confirm it's stable on the jack stands. Once your task is complete, whether it's a tire change or other maintenance, prepare to lower the vehicle. First, slightly raise the Veloster again using the hydraulic jack, just enough to relieve pressure from the jack stands. Carefully remove the jack stands from underneath the vehicle. Finally, slowly and smoothly lower your Veloster all the way to the ground. Then remove the hydraulic jack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.